There's a whole lot of power that can fit in your pocket with the Tribit StormBox Micro 2 portable speaker. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's find out what makes the Tribit StormBox Micro 2 portable speaker sound so good. Specs and features. It has a user-friendly, simple design. On the front, you have volume and power controls. And on the rear, you'll find a band for attaching to bike handlebars, hiking carabiners, anything with a clip. This speaker is tiny. There's no other way to describe it. But somehow it manages to pack in some pretty awesome features. A 12-hour rechargeable battery, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and a heavy-duty fabric cover that's rated IP67 for resistance to dust and water. It can even be used as a power bank to charge your other devices. Sound comes courtesy of specially designed 48mm drivers and X-Bass technology for loud, crisp audio at a maximum of 90 decibels at 10 watts. And if you happen to have another StormBox Micro 2, well, they can be paired into party mode via TWS for a louder stereo experience. So what do we like about the Tribit StormBox Micro 2 portable speaker? The bass coming out of this little speaker is incredible. It's hard to believe such a small device can make such powerful sounds. And its ability to act as a power bank also is a big plus, especially for camping, fishing, or any activity away from a power source. So, what don't we like? Our only complaint is that due to its size, this speaker is easily misplaced. Make a habit of using the strap and attaching it somewhere you'll remember. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? As you might have guessed by the product name, this is the all-new upgraded StormBox, and there are a few differences between the two devices. The most important one to keep in mind is that you cannot pair the second-generation StormBox to the first. They're just not compatible. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Tribit StormBox Micro 2 portable speaker? We're giving it a score of 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got two options really. You can follow our purchase link we've included in the description below and up in the right, and pick one up for only $59.99. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.